and welcome to Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. Today, we would like to introduce you to number 17 in our line of 20 essences, according to our essence spectrum chart, date essence, for tender sweetness. Now, date being for tender sweetness, it would be difficult not to at least mention chocolate, which is a lot of people's favorite source of easy sweetness. I was once told by a wise man that a craving for sweets is in fact a craving for sweetness in one's life, which indicates a clear need for date essence. For tender sweetness, date essence can help you to see others as friends and also to neutralize a sour disposition. It promotes tolerance in people who are judgmental of others. Date essence brings out the tender side in children who may tend to be whiny or clingy. It's wonderful for pets who are domineering to help them be more accepting of other animals in the household. Date essence enhances these qualities: attunement to others' feelings, discrimination of intellect, receptivity, open-mindedness, being easy to talk to, a welcoming presence, a magnetic nature, dealing kindly with the public, and for self-nurturance. The benefits of Spirit in Nature essences are greatly enhanced when using them with affirmations. If you would like to, please repeat after me the date essence affirmation. I send waves of sweetness to everyone I meet. I send waves of sweetness to everyone I meet. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. We wish for you perfect well-being.